Unity and beyond, and think outside the box, guys.
Wait, we want local companies. And Venom has like a lot of these leather tanneries and they release heavy metals into the wastewater. What if we find a way to eradicate that biologically?
That's a really solid idea. Guys, right now, what do you see? This is a box, and these are your ideas, right? We need you guys to go beat us, go infinity and beyond, and think outside the box, guys. Hi guys, so I'm Kunjan and I'm the Tri Lab lead for this year. Last year I was just a junior on the team and this was 2025. But this year I've been promoted to team lead. Last year was genuinely such a fun time. The competition, the team, the chaos. I miss all of it. I really hope that we can recreate something similar this year or even more.
Hi, I'm Srinidhi. I'm also a leader at HMVIT. I'm the wet lab lead for this year. So I'm in charge of actually evaluating the ideas which we can do this year with the resources we have. My job is to say yes or no, mostly no.
That's yes. But like real talk, how did you guys even come up with the theme last year? Was it like a super long, tedious process?
Yeah, thought really hard and we early.
Not really. We just went on us boundaries.
We must stop. I can't say really. Can I say poop? Fine. What if we also stop to poop? Wait. Like we could do something more relevant, not pain poop. Like bird poop. Oh wait. Pigeon droppings. Oh my god. Pigeon droppings are so harmful. They have bacteria, they have fungal spores, and it causes damage to buildings. In Mumbai, it says now waiting for being regulated on reaching governments. Oh my god. This is a feasible idea. This would work, right? This would work. Come on. Oh, come on. Okay. This is so much. We can make some very partnership. Yes. Oh, wow.
Okay, how theoretically would we solve this problem using synthetic biology?
We spray enzymes in the air to degrade the poop in the air. But birds poop through the air.
Oh, that makes sense.
It's honestly so fun being a part of this team, and it's incredible considering that I've selected out of like the most of my school in SBS team. So I'm going to try to make the most of it here and do my absolute best. And I really hope to try to contribute something meaningful to this team.
Hey guys, it's Akuras. I walk to night slips. I actually think it's kind of fun. It allows me to think about other things.
Hello guys, I'm Sugan. I generally hate being here. I mean, I have to drive all the way from my house to college and then walk all the way until SM in this weather and climb 2 flights of stairs. Like 2 flights, honestly.
Hey, but don't you just live in that blue building opposite to the campus? You literally have to cross the road.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, guys, everyone to the front, please.
Wait, this is not what it looks like. Okay, guys, we genuinely want you to think bigger.
Okay, not too big, but
What we mean to say is, don't go generic. Last year's idea wasn't about finding something that was obvious. It was about finding something that surprised us. Something that no one thought to do with synthetic biology. So please stop giving us heavy metal remediation and wastewater.
That was a good idea, though.
The team is great. We've assembled the brightest mind obviously. But the thing is, they can be a lot conventional, which needn't necessarily be a bad thing. But if we want to win at something like ISM, we first have to come up with a novel problem statement before we can come up with a novel solution. Something out of the box which will motivate us to solve.
think about it this way. You have the most powerful tool available to humanity right now, genetic engineering.
And you're going to point it at the most obvious ISM statement entered in the last 15 years. Come on, guys, you're better than that. We know you're better than that. Ask yourself, what's a problem statement that makes you go, that's weird. I've never thought of that before. That's the one. That's how you know it's the one.
But with all due respect, how are we supposed to keep doing that when every good idea that comes?
Thing is, we are not shooting down your ideas first. You know that novelty and feasibility need not be mutually exclusive, right? Last year we worked on one paper, just one paper, and we thought, what if a product that is being formed in a sperm whale, that's an organism in the size of a bus, can be produced by a small organism like a bacteria. You see, there's a gap, right? And in this gap, we think about what can we use synthetic biology and how can we work with this gap using this technology, right? And right now, the gap will become our project. That's how you should actually face.
So what you're saying is that we can work with the shit out of the animal.